When riding, we enjoy the freedom and unrestrainedness of just walking, the exciting adventure of traveling through the mountains, and the comfortable romance of a slow-moving city and sunset. We ride to enjoy the romance of the sunset, the adventure, and the freedom of the journey. Before we start all this, we need to be well prepared, and a suitable pannier is essential. Let's discuss what kind of panniers are suitable for long-distance riding. Before choosing a pannier, let's talk about the types. According to the function and material, they are divided into water-repellent and waterproof types. The materials of water-repellent bags are mainly canvas and leather. Although they are not waterproof, they are durable and scratch-resistant. You can add a rain cover to assist with waterproofing. Waterproof bags mainly include PV clip nets and TPU lamination. According to the fixed method, they can be divided into buckle type and strap fixed type. The buckle type mainly consists of traditional hooks and quick-release hooks. The strap fixed type includes belt and Velcro tape types. What characteristics should a qualified pannier have? Long-distance journeys will face a lot of uncertainty, so in addition to storing some of the necessary equipment for our journey, a bag must also face bad weather. The key characteristics are summarized as follows. 1. Fixed point is stable and reliable. If you don't want to lose your equipment during the bumping road, pay attention to the fixed stability of the pannier. Of course, the choice mainly depends on our needs. If the road is flat and the items are less and lighter, the requirements can be relatively reduced. 2. Durable and not easy to break. Bumps are inevitable during riding. If the pannier is not high quality and easily damaged, it may bring great hidden dangers to our travels. 3. Rain and moisture resistance. The pannier contains not only our necessary maintenance tools, but also our food and some electronic equipment. If we encounter bad weather and our panniers are not waterproof, it will make a bad trip even more helpless. Regarding the appearance of the pannier, there are many styles for us to choose from. The black color is practical, stain-resistant, and is loved by many riders. The bright color is cool and bright, which can easily be noticed by drivers and pedestrians. In conclusion, a good pannier should have high quality for fix, good waterproof performance, and durable. We can choose a more cost-effective pannier with an acceptable price.